Hazrat Aus bin Malik radiyallahu anhu states that Hazrat Umar bin Khattab radiyallahu anhu sent for me. I entered his presence after the day had advanced. I saw him sitting on a bare bed reclining on a leather pillow. He said, O Malik, some of your people came in hurry. I have passed orders to give them some wealth. You should take those things and apportion them among them. I said, it would have been better if you had given this responsibility to someone else. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, O Malik, you should take those things. Meanwhile, his gatekeeper, Yarfa, came in and submitted. What do you say about Hazrat Usman, Hazrat Abdul Rahman bin Auf, Hazrat Zubair, and Hazrat Sa'ad radiyallahu anhum? They seek permission to enter. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, well, and gave them permission to enter. And they entered. Yarfa again came and said, what do you say about Hazrat Ali and Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu? Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, yes, and granted the permission. Hazrat Abbas radiyallahu anhu said, O the believers' chief, make a judgment between me and this liar, sinner, faith breaker, and dishonest. The other companions radiyallahu anhum also said, yes, O the believers' chief, pass judgment regarding them and make them relieved. Hazrat Malik bin Aus radiyallahu anhu said, I think they both have sent those companions radiyallahu anhum earlier for the same purpose. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, be patient. I adjure you under the oath of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, with whose permission the earth and the heavens exist, whether you know that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, we are not inherited from, and whatever we bequeath is alms. They submitted, yes. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu then turned towards Hazrat Abbas and Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhum and said, I adjure you under the oath of him with whose permission the heaven and the earth exist, whether you know that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, we leave no inheritor. Whatever we bequeath is alms. They both replied in the positive. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, undoubtedly, Allah Jalla Jalaluhu made a thing exclusive for His Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam, which was not declared exclusive for anybody else. Whatsoever spoils Allah gave to His Apostle from the people of the cities is for Allah and His Apostle. Surah Hashr, verse 7. The reporter says, I do not know whether he recited or not the words prior to it. Then Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam apportioned the wealth of Banu Nadir among you. By Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam neither made this wealth exclusive for him nor retained it depriving you until this property has remained. And Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam would set aside the revenue for yearly expenses of his household and deposit the remaining wealth with the national exchequer. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu then again said, I adjure you under an oath of Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, with whose permission the heaven and the earth exist, whether you know it. They said, yes. Then Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu adjured Hazrat Abbas and Hazrat Ali radiyallahu anhum under the same oath and asked, do you know it? They also said, yes. Hazrat Umar radiyallahu anhu said, when Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam passed away, Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said, I am the successor to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam. Then you both came. You were demanding the share from your nephew's estate, and he was claiming his wife's share from her father's legacy. So Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu said that Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, we do not leave any inheritor. Whatever we leave is alms. You both whereupon considered Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu a liar, a sinner, faith breaker, and dishonest. But Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows well that Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu was true, upright, rightly guided, and a follower of the truth. Then Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu expired, and I was made a successor to Allah's Apostle sallallahu alaihi wasallam and Hazrat Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. So you both considered me a liar, sinner, faith breaker, and dishonest. But Allah Jalla Jalaluhu knows it well that I am true, upright, rightly guided, and the follower of the truth. And then I was appointed a custodian of those properties. Thereafter, you and he came to me, whereas Your claim and case were the same. You both said, entrust the property to us. I said, if you wish, I hand it over to you, provided you must, under the pledge with Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, manage it as Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam used to manage it. You both undertook. Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu then said, was this the agreement? They said, yes. Hazrat Umar radiallahu anhu said, now you both have come to me so that I may issue a decree other than the previous one. No, by Allah Jalla Jalaluhu, I will not pass any decision other than it on this issue until the resurrection day. If you do not feel up to managing it, return it to me. I alone will govern it. Sahih Muslim Hadees number 4552.